Okumanya ebise biri kufakingwa cy'amajyani no Fred Bwino cyakuraga Minisita w'Ebyobuhinzi yabaryo mu rukiko n'aba bari kuhinga no kora amajyano mu Rurembo Fort Portal. Minisita najyangwe kiziro bwa nyuma y'abahinzi n'abakama ba factories z'amajyani okwetera enduro tiro no rukiko rwagizero na mukuru w'ihanga omukwezi kwa 8 umwaka gw'hiro mu district ya Bushenyi.
Again, we have written a letter to the PSSC asking him to release those funds as specified by the President. So, this is the fact that we have gone as the government. Now, coming to your engagement yesterday and today, I can summarize it this way. Number one, as I've already said and as I've already explained in detail, there is right at the end of the tunnel.
Cyakuraga najya government yarize kuhinguze kingwa cy'amajyani kachimwa bihingwa by'amani byakubasa kwero mu kuretaho sente nyamwingi.
The good thing, the President has the clarity that there is demand for tea. So you go the full length to ensure that he plays his role.
Ogunajyangwe biragire ibintu bizakwata kutamano mu kutungura umutindo gw'amajyani okwatsa amateko tiro no kumaraho ebizo by'abahinzi n'abakama b'amakorero g'amajyani barukurabamo aha sente government eri kuzafutamu cyakuraga najyangwe zakora kuhereza abahinje bijimusa okwera amakorero kurwo mu mabanja no kushashura bakama bana sarebed z'amajyana igatwire nigaruga
46 billion for services separate from the other. So the 46 is going to be put in the budget that is about to be approved by Parliament.
Coming together as one. We have seen what being segregated has done to the industry. We have failed in the past to promote our interests, to lobby, to advocate, but today this is confirmation of our commitment to unity. And through the same workshop, we discussed strategy. And it's today that we want to delve deeper into the kind of strategies that are required in order for us to reach that level.
Bamwe abahinzi b'amajyani n'abamakorero bashemerirwe cya government okubakwateraho.
The small holders, we give them fertilizer, as the member has already expressed, without helping the factories to recover, will be wasting time.
The said fertilizer for 26 billion is going to be available very soon. But my request as someone who is here in Kayonza factory, I would request that as much as this fertilizer comes in, also the 152 billion capital injection listing processors should also come along with it.
Amakuru agasha kwa Jonathan Tsingwire.